What's going on, guys? Today I am unboxing the HP Victus. This is the one with the 3050 Ti, the i5-11400h. It's a Windows Home. I think it's a Windows 10. Comes with 8 GB memory, 512 solid state drive, Wi-Fi 6, and all the other good stuff. This is a full HD, meaning 1920 by 1080. Resolution with 144 hertz, and it is 16.1 diagonal display. So yeah, it comes with backlit keyboard too, and this is pretty much the box. Not open yet, so let me get right to it. Cut it open with my knife. Okay, just start sliding this right over. Okay. Alright, so after opening the flaps, it has cardboard. Put my knife away before I stab myself by accident. Alright, so first things first, we have the power cord. Let's take it out real quick. This is how the power cord looks like. HP is nicely wrapped and covered. Has a nice cable tie, and it's your standard laptop brick, basically. I don't know how many watts this is. Oh, it's 200 watts. Not bad. Alright, so let's put this to the side. What else is there? So this is how it looks like. Well, it seems like there's more on this left side. Oh, the extra cable. Well, the other end of the charging brick, where you plug into your wall outlet right there. Okay. And then just an empty box. Put this to the side as well. Alright, so this might be a little hard to take out, but let's try. Okay, it looks like I got the laptop. Pretty heavy. Put this down first. So in here we get, looks like the setup instruction paper and the worldwide limited warranty and technical support from HP. I think this is only a year, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think I remember seeing only a year for warranty. Let's put this down. See if there's anything else. Nope, looks empty to me. Okay, so this is the laptop. Let's try not to drop it. Looks like there's more cardboard. Is there anything in the cardboard? Nope. Nope. So this is it. And this is the laptop. Nice V for Victus. As you can see, logo says Victus as well. And let me open it real quick. Nice little HP sticker here as well. Give me 1 second. Okay, so finally got the tape off. Take it off, and this is how the bottom looks like. Let's see what it is say. Yeah, this is the HP laptop on the bottom. Feels really nice. It's like heavy and plastic. Let me open it. Okay. This is how it looks like. Comes with a nice keyboard cover to prevent your keyboard from getting damaged or damaging the screen, and this is how it looks like. So Victus logo to the left. Trackpad feels very big. Doesn't click well. Wow, there's no audible click for this. Oh, let me put it on the floor. Oh, there's a click. It's just I was lifting it. Okay, seems pretty nice. It feels almost like a MacBook, kinda. If you guys ever used the MacBook, it's quite similar. Yeah, but the trackpad is huge. Okay, so this computer is the 11400H 3050 Ti. Comes with the Bang & Olufsen speakers, and I think the speakers are all up here. And the keys, let me put it down again to type. Okay, it's your standard mushy laptop, chiclet keys, but it actually feels nice. It's like nice. It feels almost like suede, but it's not suede. It's like a nice quality plastic, not bad. Let me see if I can power it on real quick. As you can see, there's the backlit keys. Start up with the Victus logo. Pretty sure this is the first time starting up, so it takes a while, so not too bad. Here we go. Looks like Windows 10, obviously, so give me just a second. Okay, while this is getting setting up, I forgot to show you the ports on the side. So it comes with the power charger. This is the Ethernet cable. Alright, let me close it real quick to prevent Cortana from talking. So the HDMI, then there looks like a USB-A, and then there's a USB-C, and it looks like these are USB-A as well, but I think these are the regular 2.0s, not 3.0. No, it says super speed. Never mind. So these should be USB-A 3.0. And this should also be, yep, super speed lightning. I think this is the faster USB. Give me 1 second, let me clarify this, hold on. Oh, and then the logo Victus, and I forgot the right side. It says 16, and designed and engineered by HP. I don't know what the 16 means, but let me double check. Okay, so the HP website actually says that this is the charging USB port if you want to use like your devices to charge. And these are regular data ports. Oh, and then also the bottom fans, they suck in air and it blows out from the back. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so these are the vents that yeah, you could stick your finger in there, but yeah, that's where the hot air comes out from, in the back. Okay, so just make sure that if you guys want to put it against a wall or something, just make sure you don't suffocate this vent. But I'm trying to set up my Microsoft account right now, and the laptop's on sleep mode right now. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the HP Victus. Any questions, just leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching.